It's a story that took place in Sacramento at Hopkins Park. There was a total of 16 kids playing hide and go seek. And after they found all the kids, when they got back to the park and when they counted heads, there was 17 of them. 17. There's only 16 to begin with. So nobody who knew who the extra person was, the extra kid. Then one of the guy yelled, "Run!" and they all ran. And when they got to the corner of Madsen and Tamil Shanner, the author fell down. She tripped, he or she must have tripped, and while looking back, there was a baby running after the author. I was like, what the fuck? And so when they got home, the author then asked her grandma, told her grandma the story, and the grandma said back in the early 1990s, a Hmong lady went to that park and abandoned her child there, her baby there, and the baby died overnight, and a jogger found the baby the next morning. So that's the reason why that park is haunted. So if you haven't read the story yet, feel free to go on Facebook and read that story.